In this video, we are going to introduce you the Lenovo ThinkPlus Pocket. The model name for this product is MCP01. This Lenovo product is still not released worldwide, but is already available on the Chinese market. If you are interested to buy it, you can find it on Tmall or any Chinese online shopping platform. The official price is 299 RMB in China. Before we start with the unboxing, I'd like to say that I am doing this video on my own, which means that I am not paid by Lenovo, and whatever I say or demonstrate in this video is based on personal experience. So without further ado, let's unbox the product. What's in the box? You can find the Lenovo ThinkPlus Pocket, a USB cable, a user guide, and a warranty card. The conference speaker is 86mm by 72mm by 31.6mm in dimension and weighs 110 grams. It comes in only one color, which is black, a color commonly used for business purposes. It has an internal non-removable battery with a capacity of 650 mAh and uses Bluetooth 5. The top has a cloth texture and is black in color, and the sides are gray in color. Let's check out the appearance and mechanical. As you can see, the top side has a cloth-like texture with a navigation button in the middle. The cloth-like texture is the location where the sound comes out, as the speaker is located beneath it. The navigation button is surrounded with an LED light that will light up during operation. The navigation button has 4 buttons on 4 sides: volume up button, volume down button, the mute button, and a smart button. I was quite confused on what is a smart button and what will it do if I press on it. Well, the smart button comes into use if you have purchased the product ThinkPlus Meeting services. If you short press on the smart button, it will activate the ThinkPlus Meeting mode and will start record and convert everything being said into text. To stop the ThinkPlus Meeting mode, just long press for 3 seconds on the smart button. I will go through the details about the ThinkPlus Meeting in a moment. For now, let's check out the other sides of the product. On the side, you have the Bluetooth button. Pressing the Bluetooth button will turn the device into pairing mode. Next to the Bluetooth button is the power button. You can also see 2 holes here. Those are the location of the microphones. On the other sides, there's not much to introduce. Here you can see the Lenovo logo, and on this side there's a big ThinkPlus logo and the USB port. The USB port is a Type-C USB port. You can use the port to charge the device or to connect the device to a PC. On the bottom side, you can see the product label. The label includes the product name, model name, serial number, and some information on the product specification. That's it on the appearance and mechanical. Let's check out the user guide for more initial setting information. The user guide is in Chinese as it is currently only available in China for sale. The user guide is divided into the product specification, the package list, some pictures of the product, and steps on how to connect to a device, and as well as how to use the ThinkPlus meeting software. Other than this, there are some after-sales notification as well, and that's it. This product can be used on any device running Windows, Android or iOS system, and with any platform including WeChat, Microsoft Teams, etc. It can catch sound 360 degrees space around the device and up to a distance of 1.5 meters, which is really cool. You can walk around with having conversation using ThinkPlus Pocket, and this will not affect the output sound on the other end. So let's check how to use the product. There are two ways to connect the ThinkPlus Pocket. The first one is to connect through Bluetooth, and the second one is through USB cable. To connect through Bluetooth, first, on your smart device, turn on Bluetooth. Your device will automatically look for nearby devices. Once you see the ThinkPlus Pocket, connect to it. And that's it, we are all set to start using the device. Once connected, you can use any app on your smart device to start a conference or use it to chat with your family on WeChat or with your colleague on Microsoft Teams. As you can see, there's an LED light on the top around the control button. This LED light has three different colors: green, red, and orange. It will turn green when in normal conversation using the ThinkPlus Pocket. If you mute the device, it will turn red, which means the other end will not hear anything from what you say. The LED light will only turn orange if it is set to recording, voice to text conversion, or translation mode. You can use this product alone or together with its services, which is however not free. These services will include translation and real-time voice-to-text conversion. Very useful if you need a meeting minute for any important meeting with only one click. It will instantly convert all conversation in the meeting to a text format. The price for these services may differ on your region or the language. Now, to use these services it provides, you will need to download the ThinkPlus Meeting on your PC. The link to download the ThinkPlus Meeting is meeting.lenovo.com. To conclude, this is one of the lightest conference speaker I've ever seen. It only weighs 110 grams, very small and portable. Its price is reasonable, only 299 Chinese RMB. The conference speaker has an internal battery capacity of 650 mAh, which is equivalent to a 4-hour conference after a full charge. And the connection is very simple and fast. You can connect any device to the conference speaker via Bluetooth, whether you are using a device running Windows, Android or iOS system, so really worth the price. The only drawback, I would say, is the sound quality. On the product description it says this product is noise reduction. However, when I was testing the sound, I can hear some background noise on the other end. This is one of the things I think Lenovo can improve in the ThinkPlus Pocket Generation 2. if they plan to release one. Overall, well done Lenovo. This conference speaker is super light, portable, and really worth the price. Thank you for watching this video and looking forward to your comments.